The Italian giants from Borgo Panigale have officially dropped the covers on their 2026 Motogp contender, the Desmosedici GP26, ridden by Motogp icons Marc Marquez and Francesco Pecco Bagnaia. A machine that marries cutting-edge performance with a century's worth of passion and design DNA. Unveiled against the stunning backdrop of Madonna di Campiglio during Ducati's traditional Campione in Pista launch event. The GP26 isn't just another bike in a championship fight. It's a rolling centenary celebration. Ducati chose 2026 not only as the final year of the current Motogp technical cycle before sweeping regulation changes in 2027, but also as the year to honor a legacy that began in 1926. Heritage meets high performance. Visually, the GP26 marks a bold step away from Ducati's familiar all-red Motogp livery. The new machine sports a retro-inspired look, dominated by a deep, Rosso Centenario hue and accented with classic white stripes. A nod to Ducati's early racing machines and historic road models. These design cues don't just elevate aesthetics. They tie the present back to Ducati's formative years and celebrate 100 years of racing spirit.